The Zopo Speed 8 is the world's first smartphone to feature MediaTek's flagship Helio X20 SoC. In case you're not familiar with this beast, it's the first with a dual-core processor. Yes, that's 10 CPU cores. But first things first. The Zopo Speed 8 has a 5.5 IPS Full HD display and rocks a 21-megapixel Sony IMX230 camera with phase detection AF and a dual-tone flash. There is an 8-megapixel selfie shooter with a front-LED flash too. The inbuilt storage is 32GB, expandable of course, while the battery is the beefy 3600 mAh. The Speed 8 has a USB Type-C connectivity port, supports fast charging and LTE connectivity. We stopped by at Zopo's booth and grabbed a Speed 8 for a quick hands-on. The Zopo Speed 8 is made of matte plastic, which is very nice to the touch and immune to fingerprints. It feels very sturdy too. The glossy silver frame, on the other hand, looks like it might start chipping and showing other signs of wear and tear very quickly. It may look like a metal frame at first, but it's a plastic look-alike. We like the silver accents around the earpiece, the rear camera, and the fingerprint scanner on the back. The biometric sensor is placed perfectly there, right at your index fingertip. The Zopo Speed 8 runs on Android 6.0 Marshmallow with little to no customizations, and the experience is very close to the pure Android we are used to in the Nexus line of smartphones. The OS was snappy and ran without hiccups, although we didn't actually test how it will handle heavy apps. And now, the Helio X20 chipset. It has a 10-core 3-cluster processor, 2 Cortex-A72 at 2.5 GHz plus 4 Cortex-A53 at 2.0 GHz plus 4 Cortex-A53 at 1.4 GHz. The GPU is Mali T880MP4, and there are 4 GB of RAM. The Galaxy S7 and Galaxy S7 Edge utilize the same GPU in their Exynos models, but it's Mali T880MP12, which means 3 times as many cores as the Helio X20's GPU. Finally, we weren't able to test the camera performance. On a positive note, you can use the fingerprint scanner as a hardware shutter when taking selfies. Zopo Speed 8 will be available for purchase globally this April from Zopo's online shop.